Although there is increasing agreement on Apple's greatest iPhone 15 and 15 Pro advancements, pricing remains a point of disagreement, with suspicions that Apple would increase prices for all iPhone 15 models. Anyone interested in Apple's flagship model will be disappointed by the newest leak. According to a leaked report obtained by Apple Insider, prominent tech analyst Jeff Pu indicates that the iPhone 15 Pro Max would be the most costly iPhone Apple has ever issued, but no price has been revealed. For some time, price increases of up to $200 have been predicted for iPhone 15 Pro models. While these prices may surprise US buyers, who have gotten off lightly in recent years due to the strength of the dollar, worldwide inflation has resulted in multiple price hikes for international buyers in recent years, as well as increases domestically where international buyers may be hit again sooner rather than later. The Puts report is consistent with similar information from Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, who told CNBC last month that the average selling price for next-generation iPhones will increase. Like Pu, Ives did not provide specific pricing, so it is unclear whether prices will increase across the range or be limited to Pro models. According to insiders, both iPhone 15 Pro models will experience price rises as Apple pursues its larger product strategy of expanding the gap between its Pro and non-Pro handsets. Their switch to an elite titanium chassis will be a consideration, whereas the iPhone 15 Pro Max will only have a new periscopic optical zoom lens, which is much too big to fit within the smaller Pro. Aside from pricing, Pu also predicts that the iPhone 15 range will go into major production in August, with 84 million handsets manufactured in 2023. This might still be hearsay, but the iPhone 15 range has already been chastised for being a too-low confirmed improvement. This is due to the fact that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are projected to do nothing more than mimic the 14 Pro and Pro Max dynamic island designs and include its 16 chipset and 48-megapixel main camera. The titanium chassis ultra-thin bezels, updated UWB, a next-generation 3M17 chipset, and a programmable solid-state action button that replaces the mute switch will be greater changes for the 15 Pro and Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.